Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about how to redesign a Wix website, step by step. Maybe you feel like your site needs a fresh look, or maybe you just want to update some info. Whatever your goal, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to transform your Wix website quickly and confidently. So, let's jump right in. The very first thing you'll need to do is choose the website you want to redesign. If you have multiple sites on Wix, take a moment to pick the right one. You'll see a dashboard with all your sites listed. Just scan through and select the one that needs some love. This step is actually pretty important. Rather than getting caught up in editing the wrong project, double-check you're working on the right site before moving ahead. Trust me, this will save you a lot of confusion later. After you've picked your website, look for the Edit Site button and go ahead and click it. This takes you into the Wix Site Editor, which is basically the heart of your redesign process. The site editor lets you make changes, big or small, to pretty much every part of your website, from the overall layout to the tiniest detail. And don't be intimidated if you haven't used it much yet. Wix does a good job making the tools accessible, so take a breath and explore. Now, inside the editor, you can begin customizing your site. This is the fun part. Start with whatever feels most important. Maybe that's updating your homepage text so it better fits your brand, or swapping out old images for new ones that really capture attention. If you're not sure what needs changing, look for areas that feel outdated or could be clearer for your visitors. For example, does your header grab attention? Or could it use a bolder font or new background image? If your photos no longer match your message, now's the chance to upload fresh ones. And don't forget about those smaller details like buttons, menus, or special effects. Sometimes adding a subtle animation to a banner or tweaking the color scheme can make the whole site look more modern. As you work, remember, it's totally normal to experiment and try different styles. If you make a change you don't like, you can always undo it and try something else. Think of the editor like a digital canvas. You're free to play around without worrying about messing anything up. Take your time here and don't rush. Sometimes just switching up the order of sections or rewriting a headline to make it more inviting can make a huge difference in how your site feels to visitors. Once you're happy with all your adjustments, whether they're big redesigns or just subtle tweaks, the final step is to publish your changes. Click the Publish button in the corner, and your newly redesigned website will go live for everyone to see. Don't worry if you need to come back and tweak things later. You can update and republish your site anytime. And that's it. You've just redesigned your Wix website. Hopefully, it's looking fresher and more inviting now. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to drop a like. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to share your own redesign experiences. Subscribe to the channel for more simple, clear tutorials just like this. And I'll see you in the next video.